Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to spot for in-depth, honest reviews on all the latest gadgets and household essentials. Today, we're taking a close look at a key component of the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max series, the BISSELL Multi-Surface Pet Brush Roll, new Genuine OEM part 2788. If you own one of these BISSELL CrossWave models, then you know how important the right parts are for optimal performance. Let's dive into why this specific brush roll could be the game changer your cleaning routine needs. This brush roll is designed specifically for the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max series, including models 2554, 2590, 2593, and 2596. It's engineered to vacuum and wash pet hair and messes across multiple surfaces in your home. So if you're dealing with a lot of pet fur or dirt tracked in from outside, this part might just be a must-have for you. One of the standout features of the BISSELL Multi-Surface Pet Brush Roll is its dual functionality. It allows you to clean multiple surface types, including tile, wood, and area rugs. Whether it's pet hair stuck in your carpet or dust on your hard floors, this brush roll is designed to give you a deep clean, helping to lift and trap debris effectively. It's also engineered to work in harmony with the BISSELL Pet Multi-Surface formula, so if you've been using that cleaner, pairing it with this brush roll ensures optimal results. As for setup and maintenance, the brush roll is incredibly easy to clean and replace. A simple twist of the brush roll, and you're good to go. No complicated steps here. BISSELL recommends changing the brush roll every 6 months to maintain peak performance. This is important to consider, especially if you're constantly tackling pet hair or heavy-duty messes. Regular replacement ensures that the brush rolls maintain their effectiveness and prevent the buildup of debris that can affect performance. This feature also speaks to the product's overall value. It's designed to be both efficient and low maintenance. Now, let's talk about real-world usability. If you've ever tried cleaning pet hair from your floors, you'll know it can be a challenge. But with the BISSELL CrossWave, paired with this brush roll, you can clean more efficiently across various surfaces. Whether you're cleaning your living room carpet, kitchen tile, or bathroom linoleum, the brush roll lifts dirt without scattering it around. It's especially effective for homes with pets. Think about those times when your furry friends shed hair all over the house. The brush roll not only picks up the hair, but also helps prevent it from getting tangled, which is a big win for anyone who has dealt with frustrating hair-clogged rollers. But like all products, there are some factors to consider. First, the BISSELL Multi-Surface PT Brush Roll works best when paired with the right cleaning solutions, like the BISSELL Pet Multi-Surface formula. Using other cleaning solutions might not give you the same level of performance. So be mindful of that if you're thinking about using a different cleaner. Another consideration is the recommendation to replace the brush roll every 6 months. If you're a heavy user or have pets that shed a lot, you may need to replace it more frequently, which could add to the overall cost of ownership. Now, how does this compare to other brush rolls in the market? If you're looking for something that provides similar performance but at a lower price point, you might come across options that claim to be compatible with BISSELL models, but let's be real. Going for a non-genuine replacement might not give you the same level of performance, particularly when it comes to cleaning efficiency or durability. BISSELL's OEM parts are specifically designed to match the quality and performance standards set by the brand, so you can expect reliability and precision with the original parts. Let's also talk about value for money. Given the nature of this product as a replacement part, it's relatively affordable when you factor in its long-term benefits. As we mentioned earlier, regular replacement ensures your BISSELL CrossWave continues to perform at its best. Plus, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which is a nice bonus for pet lovers looking to make a difference. In terms of build quality, the brush roll feels solid and robust. It's designed to be durable, and given its frequency of use in daily cleaning, you want something that can handle wear and tear without losing its effectiveness. The brush bristles are stiff enough to clean thoroughly, but won't damage your floors. The materials are designed for easy cleaning, And the overall construction gives you peace of mind knowing this is an OEM part that will stand the test of time. When it comes to customer support, Bissell is known for its solid reputation in the home appliance market, and that extends to its after-sales service. Should you have any questions or issues regarding this replacement part, you can expect a reasonable response time and helpful support. With the reassurance of warranty coverage when using genuine Bissell parts, you can avoid the headache of dealing with malfunction or damage that might arise from using third-party replacements. So, what's the final verdict? If you own a BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max model and need a reliable, efficient brush roll to clean up after your pets and household messes, the BISSELL Multi-Surface Pet Brush Roll is an excellent choice. It's simple to maintain, works seamlessly with your BISSELL system, and delivers solid cleaning performance across a variety of surfaces. Its affordability, ease of use, and durability make it a worthy investment to keep your vacuum working at its peak. However, be mindful of the need for regular replacement to get the best results. And remember to pair it with the recommended BISSELL cleaning form for optimal performance. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to get this brush roll for your BISSELL CrossWave, just check the comments box below for the link. Have you tried this part already, or are you thinking about picking one up? Let me know your thoughts or experiences. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next in-depth review. Goodbye till next time, and remember, the best clean starts with the right tools.